What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this summer makeup look to give you guys a little bit more bronze, a little bit more tan, sun-kissed look to the skin, using makeup instead of the real sun. We want to keep our skin nice, but the bronze look is obviously going to be here for summertime, so let's create a look that is safe for the skin while also making us look a little bit more youthful. Doing this makeup look, I feel like 10 years younger. It reminds me a little bit of doing my makeup back in the late 90s, but just the placement of the concealer and the bronzer is definitely making me feel a little bit more youthful, and adding a couple little details in there too. You'll see in the video how I create this makeup look. So if you guys would like to try it out for yourselves, then just keep watching. We want our skin to have some luminosity for this look, so I'm going to go in with the Saie Super Glowy Gel in this shade Stargaze, and I am just going to take a pump of that and just put it all over my face. So I did my skincare and put on some SPF. I didn't the other day, and it's probably like the first time that I've burnt my face in years, and yeah. So put on your SPF, because you never know, even if it's not the warmest day, the UV is high, and let's just do fake tan over the real tan. So we got a little bit of dewiness and glow. I want my natural skin texture and skin to show through, so I'm going to go in with the Summer Friday Sheer Skin Tint. I have this in the shade 4, and this just really lets your natural skin show through and just kind of gives you a really subtle enhancement, a subtle kind of all over, kind of like a blurring effect on the skin, but not. Just really, really nice and light on the skin, especially for summer and warm days. You don't want to feel like your makeup is caked on. Just gonna blend that out with the BK 101 foundation brush. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Nars Creme Brulee. I want to go in with something a little bit lighter because I want my under eyes to pop, to kind of look like you have that tan line going on as if you were wearing sunglasses. I saw someone do it on TikTok. It was a little like, I don't know if I would do it to really make it look like the shape of the sunglasses were on my face, but I kind of want to get that effect going. This totally reminds me of the late 90s growing up and how we used to wear our makeup really bright concealer and just really bronze look, but it all comes back. The looks kind of recycle themselves, sometimes in a more modern way, but they definitely come back. This one is a little bit more full coverage, so if you are looking for a concealer with more of a fuller coverage, the Nars one is really good. I'm just going to take the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. This one is a little bit more hydrating and a little bit darker than the Nars, and I'm just going to follow along through and just kind of brighten up a little bit more of my under eye, but not with something so bright. I want that to kind of just blend through. Now you're going to take your favorite cream bronzer, so you want it to be warmer. We're not doing any kind of contouring today. We just want warmth and bronze. So I'm going to go in with Baby Got Bronze from Essence. This is a very affordable cream bronzer, and I'm just going to use my fingers to pat this on. So we're just going to start patting it right on top of the cheeks. And going over the nose. We're not going to do any kind of nose contouring or any kind of highlighting on the nose. You can do like a little like shimmer highlighter after, but nothing to take away from like the tan line across your nose. And just keep working that on. And just putting it anywhere you want a little bit of extra tan. I'm just gonna go in with my Merit Cream Bronzer just down my neck, just to add a little bit of bronze there. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that and just add it to the outsides of the cheeks, just for some more depth there. I'm going to start off with the cream blush from Merit Beauty in the shade Beverly Hills. This one is kind of like a rosy, peachy blush, and again, we're going to pop that on top of the cheeks. You can come down the cheeks a little bit more too with this one, just in the apples of the cheeks, even pop a little bit on the lids. Now I'm going to take my plum blush from Honest Beauty, so any of your favorite plum blushes, and I'm just going to, again, put the depth on the outer corner of the face. Can do the lifted effect. All right, now this is the fun part. I found that this really gave a youthful kind of tan look to the skin. Just really cute on the skin. So we're gonna add some faux freckles. I'm going in just with the tinted brow pen from NYX. This is in the shade Soft Brown, and let's see if I'm just gonna bring my mirror here and just kind of start placing little dots. I have freckles, but this is going to bring them through and like darken them. I really liked it on the nose yesterday. Put a lot on the nose. Just adds a really cute effect to the makeup. So I just lined my lips with Essence Legendary. I'm just going to go in with Pink Pop from Maybelline, I believe. Yeah, and I'm just going to pat a little bit of that. I don't want a saturation of pink lipstick, but I just want to add a little subtle pink to the lips. Just going to tightline as well. This is going to give the eyes a more youthful look. And I use black mascara for some contrast to the light concealer, as opposed, I've been using the brown mascara. It's a lot more subtle, but I just wanted that darkness on the eyes and really thicken up the lashes. All right, this is the final look. I feel 10 years younger just adding bronze and some freckles. I love the way it turned out. Even going back to a really bright inner eye concealer is fun. It feels really youthful and fun for summer. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you guys so much for watching and being here, and I will see you guys again soon.